Alright, guys, we're going to do something a little different today here. Here we got a GFCI wall receptacle. I'm going to show you here. Alright, there you can see we got current going to it. Kick it off. It shows no current. Now, I take this electric detector here, and as you can see, we got current. Okay, back on. All right, now I want to show you why I showed you that. All right, there we got a receptacle. It's just a regular receptacle. Another one, and that all feeds off in and goes in here to the bathroom circuit. And as you can see, we got a tub with pipes in the wall there from the shower and all that. Right behind this plug-ins over here. All right, so with that, seeing that now, if I would have had something plugged into one of those plugs, if say I got a blow jar plugged in through the GFCI, you drop it in the tub, it's going to kick out the switch and protect you from getting shocked. But now with that doesn't stop the flow of electric coming into this GFCI. You still have your wire coming from your circuit box, panel box, whatever you want to call it, coming to this GFCI switch, and these are still hot. So if a pipe was to bust in that wall back there, it could hit these and you could still get shocked. So that's really, you're not protected against 100% against getting shocked with a GFCI. So right here, I went and got this circuit breaker. This one's a square D because I've got a square D panel box. But this is a circuit breaker and a ground fault circuit interrupter. So if it's going to the plug-in, if that's supplies the plug-in rather, it will kill the juice immediately, so that this plug-in is not live at all. It kills it in the panel box. So that way you have more protection against shock. I'm not going to say they possibly couldn't fail, but right now it's the best thing on the market to stop that kind of a problem. So just because you have GFCIs in your bathroom don't mean you're 100% protected. It'll kill your whatever's plugged into this, and it'll kill it whatever under this tape here. There's more hold on. Okay, you can see under the tape there's more screws for you to hook more wires to go to another, branch out to your next plug-in or whatever you want to do if you want to use it. One of these is considered the line and one's considered the load. Your line is your incoming line, that's your hot wires. And then your load is whatever this is furnishing. Perhaps another plug-in down the ways, whatever be the case. And then also whatever you plug into this is also a load. So, but that will kill this and this, your plug-in part, but it won't kill those two coming to it. So for the best protection, get one of these, whatever name brand your box is, circuit breakers, and it's, you got to know what you're doing to install it. I don't recommend just average homeowners doing it, whatever, but unless you're familiar with it. But it's very hazardous anytime you go into an electrical box messing around in there, because even if you kill the main coming in, you still got hot in there unless you kill it outside or have the meter pulled. But anyways, that's something to look out for. If you got water anywhere near a plug-in or pipes going by one, or you got a ceiling light down below your tub, make sure all those circuits are protected with this circuit breaker. All right. I lose sleep at night thinking about stuff like this. All right. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you later, and hope you enjoyed this. Bye.